Hi, fabulous math learners. I have the amazing Louie here with me to share some really good ideas on how to solve 3 people sharing 12 items equally. Now, that's a whole mouthful, isn't it? It's a lot of words. But you know what? We can write it really short with just a little bit of ink by going 12 divided by 3. Okay. So, how do you want to do this, Louie?
So let's bring up 3s.
Oh, okay, so on each round, you're going to give each person one thing.
Yeah.
So we'll bring up the first 3. So everyone has one thing, but 3 is not 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's bring up another 3, which means that each person's getting
6. No, 1.
Each person is getting 2 things, but how much do we have here in this round?
6.
Okay, so that's not enough either, is it? So let's give everyone one more.
To get 9.
9, yep, but that's not enough yet either. So each person has 3 things, but we only have 9 in total. Okay, so let's bring in another 3.
To get 12.
Okay, so there we go. So how many times does 3 go into 12?
4.
4, it goes once. We went through 4 rounds, right? Second round, third round, fourth. Okay, so 12 divided by 3 equals 4. That deserves a high five, dude.
Thank you, bye. Hi everyone, today we're doing 3 people share 12 items equally. And we have Mark here.
Hey Anna, so walk us through how we're going to do this.
Well, I want to first see the 12 so I know how to do this better. So let's bring the 12 in.
Okay.
I'm going to do 3. That's 3. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And this one's a long way. So that's 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have 12 now.
All right.
But I want to put bags. Now, I usually think of them as goodie bags because I love goodie bags. But, so 1, 2, 3. And I'm getting the 3 from right here.
Okay, so now what?
So now I want to carefully put them in, but because we only have 3 here, I want to try putting 2s. I don't know, I'm just being risky.
Oh.
Now we have 2, 4, 6 left. So I want to add 1. I'm going to try adding 1. Now we have 3 left. So if I were to put 1 in each group, it would already be 4 because it's only 3 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 3 people sharing 12 items equally is 4.
All right.
But Mark, I'm pretty sure you can also do it this way. 3 divided by 12.
So, or 12, if you have 12 items, right, and you divided them each.
Or I don't know which one. It can also be 12 divided by 3. I'm not sure which one. I think it might be this one.
Yeah, I think it is
Not
too.
this one. Scribble it out.
Good work, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone. I'm going to scribble this out more.